I hope you are doing great. I'm also fine. So today I want to share something new about the insurance policies, and we were talking about liability insurance. But before starting our videos, I would like to tell you my today's experience in my university. I went to my university at 9 a.m. At the bus, on the bus, and we reached our department about 9:30, and our first lecture was free, so I had a work at the clerical office, so I went there, but they were not arrived yet. So I sit in my classroom that was almost empty, and let's start the videos. That was all from my side today and today's experience. So let's start the video. We were talking about liability insurance, and we covered most of its parts, but there are some facts remaining, and we'll be talking on these facts today. So a commercial general liability, which is also known as CGL insurance policy, it is the first line of defense against many common claims. CGL policies, which is also known as commercial general liability policies, covers claims in four basic categories of business liability. It has four categories in which this policy work, and these are bodily injury. If you have any bodily injury during your work or your office hours, you'll get money for these injuries. And next is the property damage. If there is any kind of damage due to any cause, it can be fire, hurricane, tree fell on your property and destroyed most of these parts, you'll get yourself paid for that damage. Next is the personal injury, that includes slander or libel. Okay, and next is the advertising injury, damaging from slander or false advertising. False advertising, if you have any damage due to false advertising, you'll get yourself paid for that. And next is the in addition to coverage claims listed above, CGL policies also cover the cost of defending or settling claims. I don't know what it is, but I hope to know that if you understand this, I'd like to know in the comment section. So next is the general liability insurance policy. It always states the maximum amount that the insurer will pay during the policy period. Okay, so moving on. There are two major forms of liability insurance policies. A business can select occurrence and claims made. Both types of policies have their advantages, and in this way we can see there is an occurrence policy. An occurrence policy covers a business for harm to the matter harm to others caused by incidents that occurred while the policy is in the force, no matter when the claim is filed. Okay, for example, a person might sue a business in 2010 for an injury stemming from a fall in 1999. The policy that was in place when the incident occurred, for example in 1999, will apply if even if the company has a policy in place with higher limits. Occurrence coverage may not be available in some states or for some industries or professions. Okay, this was all in the occurrence policy, and let's end our video at this topic. We'll be covering more topics in our next video. So till then, I'd like to leave. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.